Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: an EMP tool, a mapped camera list, and a quiet weapon. Move to the northwest entry and head straight for the control room. This minimizes patrol encounters and shortens the exposure window. Once at the control room, disable or loop the nearest terminal first to drop immediate alerts, then mark remaining cameras on your map. Make sure to stay low and listen for guard patterns so you can slip past without triggering adjacent sensors. With the control room secured, work through terminals in a clear sequence. Middle corridor, then rooftop relay ensures you remove overlapping coverage systematically. Use short EMP bursts to stun cameras for 8 to 12 seconds while you physically reach terminals to install loops or complete hacks. Have one teammate hold Overwatch to suppress unexpected patrols while another updates the camera list. This division of labor prevents redundant exposure. Final sweep. Verify every camera reports a loop visually and on your minimap. Don't assume silence equals success. If alarms begin, pull back to the nearest safe room and reset the control cascade to clear queued alerts, then re-enter quickly to finish remaining hacks. If a single camera stubbornly stays active, reboot the relay rather than wasting EMPs, because a relay reboot forces a full resync and usually clears persistent active nodes. This saves time and prevents an avoidable mission failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.